What's going on, everybody? This is Chad Christian from CWC Technologies, where we always bring you the latest gadgets, news, and reviews. Today's video is the Ultimate Razer Command Center Office Tour 2019 edition. We've got the brand new Razer Blade 15 Advanced Model Mercury Edition here today. This is one of my favorite laptops moving into 2019. You can see it has a premium all aluminum build, a white individually lit RGB keyboard, a beautiful glass precision trackpad, dual front-facing firing speakers, and this monitor. Wow, what a gaming monitor this is on here. This is a 144 hertz panel, 1080p. You can also get this in the 60 hertz or a 4K touch model if you choose so. This laptop is fantastic for gaming and for productivity. I highly recommend it. Everything that I talk about today, I'm going to leave links down below in the description where you can get more information. Now, holding the laptop up is the power adjustable table stand, and underneath that you're going to find the Dell WD-15 docking station, where I have all my peripherals plugged in, including this Ugreen USB 3.0 card reader to do all my video editing. For work and play, I'm using the Razer Black Widow Chroma keyboard. I've been using this for several years and it's never let me down. I love the tactile function of the keys. They do have a version 2 out, so you guys can check that out if you want, or you can save a buck by grabbing this older version, which I still use to this day with no issues. Next up is the Razer Deathadder Chroma mouse. This has nice programmable buttons on the side and a scroll wheel up on the top, and as you can see, it has the beautiful individual RGB lights that are programmable. Now, for the network that I'm using throughout the house, I chose to go with the Google Home Mesh Wi-Fi network. Thank you, Detroit Borg, for that recommendation. It's been working flawless ever since. My daily driver right now is the iPhone XS Max, and charging that is the Next Gadget wireless charger. This was my favorite wireless charger for the Note series and also the iPhones in 2018. Now, the secondary monitor that I'm using is the Asus VS239, which is a 1080p IPS monitor. Up on top of that is the BenQ screen bar. I love this with the ambient sensors up on the top. Holding the monitor up to give me more desk space is the North Bayou monitor desk stand. I highly recommend this for up to 27-inch monitors. Over on the left-hand side of my laptop is the Elgato Stream Deck with programmable keys. And to the left of that are the Astro A50 wireless headsets. Now, this is the PlayStation base. They also have it with an Xbox. For game streaming and voiceover work like I'm doing right now, I like to use the Blue Yeti with the Dragon Pop filter. Holding that together onto my desk is the Rode microphone stand. This is a very sturdy unit. You can see that it easily holds the weight of this unit and it doesn't fall down. It's fully adjustable and you can get your mic completely out of the way when you're not using it. And holding everything up is the IKEA Be-Can't Sit Stand Power Desk. If you're tired of sitting on your butt all day and you'd like to stand up, I highly recommend this motorized desk for all of your needs. And if you are standing for long periods of time or on a hardwood floor like I do, I recommend the Topo standing desk mat. Now, I get asked a lot what chair I use, and I always go to the Autonomous Ergo Chair 2. It's fully adjustable. It has great lumbar and back support. Everything is adjustable from the hand grips. They go in and out, fully adjustable arms, and this even lays all the way back for the ultimate comfort and protection instead of those cheap gaming chairs. Thank you, everybody who stuck with me through 2018. 2019 is going to be an amazing ride. If you would, click that thumbs up and subscribe for more daily content like this, and I'll see you guys on the next video.